Hello there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer. Today, we're diving into the world of keyboards with a spotlight on the Logitech MX Keys wireless illuminated keyboard. If you're a Mac user, you're in for a treat. Let's explore what makes this keyboard a perfect match for your Apple devices. First and foremost, the MX Keys is designed for Mac users. It's compatible with a range of Apple products, including MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iMac, and iPad models. So, no matter which Apple device you have, this keyboard has got you covered. One of the standout features of the MX Keys is its Mac key layout. The keyboard layout is optimized for macOS and is also compatible with iPad. This means you get the familiar Mac keys and shortcuts right at your fingertips, enhancing your productivity and workflow. When it comes to comfort and stability, the MX Keys excels. The keys are designed for your fingertips with a spherical dished shape. Typing on this keyboard feels natural and ergonomic, making those long typing sessions a breeze. Plus, the minimalistic design complements your Mac setup beautifully. The MX Keys features smart illumination. The backlighting of the keys activates as soon as your hands approach the keyboard, and it automatically adjusts its brightness based on your ambient lighting conditions. It's not only practical but also adds a touch of sophistication to your workspace. Here's where the MX Keys truly shines. With the multi-device flow feature, you can seamlessly type on multiple Mac computers. This means you can effortlessly switch between devices with your keyboard, making multitasking and transferring files a breeze. Now, let's talk about battery life. The MX Keys is rechargeable via USB-C to USB-C cable, and it connects directly to your Mac without any dongles. A full charge lasts up to 10 days, and if you turn off the backlighting, it can stretch up to an impressive 5 months. You'll receive a notification when it's time to recharge, and the battery indicator LED will glow red. And there you have it, folks, the Logitech MX Keys wireless illuminated keyboard, a must-have for Mac users. With its Mac key layout, comfortable typing experience, smart illumination, and multi-device flow feature, it's a top-notch choice for anyone in the Apple ecosystem. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews from UK Pro Reviewer. Got questions or thoughts about this keyboard or any other tech gear? Feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay tech-savvy.